Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Baseus Encok W3 earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So to do this, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside, charge them with this micro USB port for like 20 minutes, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, when you do this, you just have to open this charging case and you will find that indicator on the left earbud right here is blinking. So what it means that we are in the pairing mode, so we have to keep that case open and just simply go to the Bluetooth settings on your Android device, click to pair new device, and from available devices list select your Baseus Encok W3. So click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.